These are dehydrated chilies. Don't look so bad, do they? But what if I told you that making these was an absolute nightmare? I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the biggest mistakes when it comes to dehydrating food and what I learned from this video and how to do it better next time. Hey there, my name is Ben and this is Impossibly Kosher. I love dry food, whether it's nuts, fruits, vegetables like mushrooms, jerky, and I've been trying to make these different variations forever, but never really opted into getting a real food dehydrator. So I've tried all the shortcuts out there, whether it's the oven method, putting it at the lowest temperature, or the air fryer method, the toaster oven method. Honestly, all these tricks, not great.
Disappointed!
When I got my Ninja air fryer indoor grill and my Instant Omnivox toaster oven, right away I noticed on both of them the dehydrate mode. And I said, okay, I gotta try this as soon as I can. I got a bunch of chili peppers and I thought it was an easy thing to dehydrate. I took them, I quite literally tossed them into the basket in the Instant OmniVortex toaster oven. I hit that dehydrate mode, set it to 6 hours, and time done, 0 progress. I kept resetting that time. 6 turned into 12, turned into 48, turned into 72, until finally, at 80 hours, it was done. "80 hours, all to get some dried chilies. Was it worth it? Well, granted they came out pretty good, and I was able to keep them for months and months and months. But was it really worth it? Was that time spent worth the entire effort? Honestly, no.
Waste of our time!
And now looking back, I made a bunch of critical mistakes. So, let's get started with my first mistake. The first thing was overcrowding the trays. Because after 6 hours, I realized, okay, these are not going anywhere. I set my Ninja air fryer on dehydrate mode as well. I split them almost evenly and they started to dehydrate a bit faster, but no real progress. So the first mistake is overcrowding. You want every piece to have proper and complete airflow around it. The second biggest mistake, not cutting or making a small incision in each of the peppers. Chilies have a nice, good protective barrier. So to draw out the moisture from them is quite difficult and takes much, much longer. If I would have punctured the top or the bottom or even cut the top right off, sliced it, however, to expose the inside, then they would have dehydrated, I'm sure, in like 6 hours easily. But 6 became 80. And honestly, who knows what else I did wrong? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think can go wrong in the dehydrating process. Anyways, I learned from my mistakes. Since then, I've dehydrated a few things in both my Ninja air fryer and my Instant OmniVortex, and both came out not bad. I tried some fish jerky, did not come out the way I liked it because it was just too hot temperatures, both of them can't hold it. And since then, I actually got a Sahara Food Dehydrator. Check out the video here, and I'll leave a link for it also in the description section. Now, I'm not in a rush to make these peppers again because I have plenty of dehydrated peppers for quite some time. Maybe I'll make a spicy chili or something and just toss them in. But I'm going to be making fruit roll-ups, I'm going to be making dried mangoes, I'm going to be making dried shiitake mushrooms, dried normal mushrooms, so that whenever I'm making a soup I can just toss them in, dehydrating some vegetables, and of course my favorite jerky. I'm going to be making beef and fish jerkies. Very excited. That's it for this video, short and sweet. Let me know what you thought in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel and stick around because there's a lot of awesome dehydrating videos coming out. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.